On day 4, we began our journey by exploring the charming village of Vik. Vik is the southernmost village in Iceland, known for its dramatic landscapes and unique setting. Despite being a small village with a population of just a few hundred, Vik is an important hub for travelers due to its proximity to key attractions, including black sand beaches, cliffs, and glacier. The town's location beneath the Myrdal Glacier, which covers the active Katla volcano, gives it a distinct edge, combining both natural beauty and a hint of adventure. Our first stop was the iconic Myrdal Church, or Víkurfjara, which sits atop a hill overlooking the village. The church was built in 1934 and has become a symbol of hope and safety for the local community. It was constructed to withstand the harsh weather and to serve as a sanctuary during times of natural disaster, particularly due to the threat posed by the nearby Katla volcano. The church's red roof and white walls are often photographed against the dramatic Icelandic landscape, making it one of the most picturesque landmarks in the area. It was a peaceful start to our day, with the morning mist adding a magical quality to the landscape. After admiring the church, we headed down to the nearby black sand beach, the Víkurfjara. This beach is known for its stunning black sands and sweeping views of the Atlantic Ocean, providing a quieter and equally beautiful experience compared to the more famous Vatnajökull beach. Between Vik and Fjaðrárgljúfur Canyon, we passed through the expansive Eldhraun moss field, one of the largest lava fields in the world. Eldhraun was formed during the Laki eruption in 1783 to 1784, which is considered one of the most catastrophic volcanic eruptions in recorded history. The moss that covers the lava today gives the field an otherworldly appearance, resembling a thick green carpet that stretches as far as the eye can see. This moss field is not only visually stunning, but also an important natural habitat that has slowly developed over centuries. The contrast of the vivid green against the black lava is a sight to behold and adds an unexpected beauty to the journey. Destination was Fjaðrárgljúfur Canyon, one of Iceland's most awe-inspiring natural wonders. This canyon, approximately 2 million years old, was formed by glacial meltwater cutting through the rock, leaving behind stunning sheer cliffs and a winding river below. The trail along the canyon edge offers several viewpoints, where you can look down into the lush greenery and the winding river. The sense of scale here is humbling. Standing at the top, you can see how powerful nature truly is. Fjaðrárgljúfur has gained worldwide fame in recent years, partly due to its appearance in Justin Bieber's music video for the song I'll Show You, released in 2015. This visually stunning video showcased the canyon's dramatic beauty, making it a must-see location for many travelers. Quick stop at Unicars to have the grey water valve of our campervan repaired. This maintenance was necessary to ensure a smooth continuation of our journey, especially since managing waste properly is a key part of staying comfortable while travelling in a campervan. We then stopped close to Hamrafoss Cafe to take a picture with the beautiful Hamrafoss waterfall. It was a quick but scenic stop that allowed us to capture the beauty of the cascading falls without staying for long. In the afternoon, we arrived at Skaftafell, part of Vatnajökull National Park, which is famous for its stunning hiking trails and breathtaking glacier views. We decided to hike to the glacier at Skaftafell, which offered breathtaking views of the massive Vatnajökull Glacier, Europe's largest glacier. The hike allowed us to get up close to the towering ice formations, providing a humbling perspective on the power and scale of Iceland's natural landscape. As the day ended, we parked our campervan at Tjaldsvaedi Campsite. This campsite stood out as the best among all the campsites we had visited throughout our trip. It was incredibly well managed, featuring all the amenities one could need: hot showers, clean restrooms, cooking facilities, and ample space for each camper. The environment was serene, allowing us to relax after a full day of exploration. We also had the chance to buy dinner from Glacier Goodies, a food truck stationed inside the campsite. The food truck served hearty and delicious meals, made with locally sourced ingredients, perfect for ending a busy day of hiking and exploration. Day 4 was full of diverse experiences, from peaceful hilltop views in Vik, dramatic black sand beaches, a spectacular canyon, and a hike to the glacier at Skaftafell, to the comfort of a well-equipped campsite with great local food. Every moment was filled with the beauty and adventure that Iceland has to offer, making it yet another unforgettable day on our journey.